What you see here is a Dell MR90Y is a 6 cell 65 watt lithium ion battery. It is rated at 11.2 volts, that is 12 volts battery, 3S series. It is used in Dell Inspiron series 3440 or 3540 or Vostro other laptops. It is average price is 1500 to 4000 rupees depending on supplier and warranty. This capacity is 65 watts, that is approximately 5800 milliamps. In in this pack there are 6 cells. These are configured in 3S and 2P, means 3 series and 2 parallel. Each cycle is LG cell. It has a 3500 mAh battery and voltage around nominal voltage is 3.6. 4.2 is the voltage for charging. This is the BMS of the series. It has 3P, 3S, 2P series. What you see? These are LG cells. Each cell is rated for 10 amps current. And each cell is 3500 milliamp hours. There are total 6 cells in this battery pack. As you can see. Now we are checking the voltages of each cell. Sometimes when there is connected in series or parallel, voltage is influenced. We can check by cutting all other battery cells. As you can see, there are 3.65 volts that are working fine. These are not showing any voltages. If the BMS are not working, sometimes the cells do not short circuit. Let's separate these cells. I am cutting in between the cells and nickel strips only, not removing completely, as these help after. If I want to salvage these cells, I can just solder on the nickel strips. I don't have to solder on battery terminals, as that heat up the battery. The LG cells are 3500 mAh each. These are rated for 10 amps continuous discharge current. That's why it is about 65 watts of volt. As you can see, I am cutting only the nickel strips in between with proper length, as I can solder these easily. That yellow color strip is NTC sensor, temperature sensor to control the batteries from overheating. The white color rubber-like substance you see is thermal paste. Similar to other, it is glue, thermal glue, silicone adhesive. It helps dissipate heat also, and it combines the battery pack like a glue. Now we check the individual cells. The first cell is 3.64 volts. It's okay. Second one is 2.7. It's barely working. It's also 3.63. Okay. 0.7. It is also near discharge, complete discharge. It is 3.63. Okay. 3.65. These two cells have the lowest voltages, that is 2.75 volts. Sometimes it trigger the BMS from discharging and charging. That's why some cells stopped working. We can try the TP4056 module to see if this is working or not. Later we check the batteries.